Yeah. Perfect, thank you. So welcome to the safety part of this tour. I'm going to talk about the lean safety workshop that we do here. And the purpose of a safety workshop is to identify safety risks and of course unsafe acts and unsafe behavior. And we have done the safety workshop on the foam packing lines 1 to 3. And the question is why? That is because of the statistics from our reporting of near misses and accidents. We have found out that most of the accidents and near misses are on the foam packing lines. Therefore, we need to do something. We have to focus on this area to get it up in shape again. So this picture is pretty easy to do. Just plot out where you have the accident. So we start here. What do we do? The process of workshop is that we decide an area where we should focus on the safety. We put together a team. We have members from the operators from 2 shifts. We have one safety operator. We have the shift leader responsible for this area, and there's myself. And the team gets a short education in Lean Basic. The team gets also a short education in Safety Basic. We also, during the workshop, watch a movie, a film taken from this area. Where during this movie we try to identify unsafe acts, unsafe behaviors and potential risks. When we have done that, we go out again and also try to find more risks in unsafe behaviors and unsafe acts. And also the production has to be running when you're doing this workshop, otherwise it's very hard. The focus is not to get a lot of PDCA with technical solutions. The focus is on behavior. There are many things we can do with very easy ways. So the result was, in this case, 20 PDCA points. We have responsible and we have a deadline. And all these workshops, all our workshops, we have a goal for 80% of PDCAs should be solved within 4 weeks. That means we have to do 16 of them before the 14th of January next year. We had the workshop last week, so it's very fresh. When we have done this part, finish here, we give information to the other shifts, so they know what we have done, and they know about this PDCA in action.
Just for 1 minute.
So after 4 weeks, if we have actions left that has been solved from many different reasons, we don't drop them, but we put them on the 5S border instead. Perfect time.
Thank you.
So when we close this workshop, the remaining PDCAs still lives on in the usual 5S work.
And how did you decide that the 80% of PDCAs, which will it be the most important, the most unsafe, or?
We try to prioritize them as that, yes.
Okay.
We make them actually 3 categories.
Yeah, we understand.
Three during the workshop to try to prioritize from that.
Okay.
And after that, we also make a risk analysis of each PDCA action. So we score them as well. For the highest risk, that is one that we aim for first.
Can we see from the risk? Score?
No. The risk score is not documented because it's too large. So we always with fine Kinley, exactly. Yeah. So, any questions? I know the time is getting very tight.
You can also introduce this green. What do you have
The green dots is for walking, and it's for tried for a while now when we try to see if they are stuck to the floor. So the
Okay, so this is your box.
This one we want to.
Because it's only green dot there and there. No?
Yeah, you can
Back and
walk
forward.
back and forward.
So that's
Or you can jump over.
Because you see here we have a forklift and walking in the same area, so there we have distinguished
Yeah.
to avoid